Hi everyone, it's Kezzie over here from KezziesCorner, obviously. Welcome to this week's vlog. My name is Kezia and this is a vlog. I also post about makeup, and if you want to see those makeup videos, they come out every single Wednesdays and Fridays at 6 p.m. Malta time, which will be like 5 p.m. English time. And then on Sundays, like today, you will be seeing my vlogs where I also share my braces journey. If you are new here, I would love it if you would press subscribe. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. It truly means the world to me. Today I'm boiling. I need to actually open a window. Anyways, so basically today is Tuesday and it is the 1st of June. Basically, May has been gone, it's gone, it's done. It's no longer a thing. And 1 second, because a car is passing. There's another 2 cars passing. Today I have my brace tightening appointment, and yeah, I'm not looking forward to the tightening of it all, you know. As you know, I've been with my braces now for over 10 months. I spoke about it in my last vlog. I'll leave a link down below if you want to watch it. I've also, you know, shared my whole braces experience, so definitely check out. I'll leave the link to my braces playlist where you'll find all things braces, basically. I'm just waiting to go into that. I also got a book, so now I say reading until my time comes. I'm reading the Midnight Library. I've been reading this for so long. Basically, I stopped because I have Gestalt and stuff like that, and things came up, but that's not an excuse. Should like just continue reading it now. Tomorrow, Friday, I actually have study leave because I need to work on Gestalt things ASAP and, you know, finish off second year. So it's going to be like a very Gestalt weekend because then I actually have a workshop as well of Gestalt. So yes, just wanted to start the vlog here and introduce it, and yeah, let's just see how this week goes. I hope you all have a lovely week. I hope you're all taking care. Love you lots. Take care and stay safe, guys. And if you like this week's vlog, then give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more, then press subscribe. I'm gonna read and then go for my appointment. Yay! Bye, guys. Talk to you guys later.
Okay, so welcome to a productive day in my life segment in this week's vlog. So as you can see, I am waking up here, tying my hair and looking out the window because it's something that I love doing every single day. It helps me start my day with a smile. I also love doing my tea because, as you know, I love my morning tea. I just love having and creating that morning ritual for you that will brighten and motivate you and inspire you for the coming day. A coming day which is all fresh and new and ready to be filled with activities and goals that you have set. I also love spending time with Nemo. Nemo doesn't like cuddles that much, but when she allows me to give her cuddles, I just love taking the opportunity and doing it. And there she is. She's so beautiful. And I'm sipping my tea. And then I prepare for my workout because I've been working out lately and I've been loving it. And I also love doing my bed. It helps me start my day as well. And I like choosing my exercise gear and also choosing the clothes that I'm going to wear for that day. And those are the 2 workouts that I did. I then take a shower and do my skincare morning routine, which is something that is amazing for your skin, and it's important to keep taking care of yourself. You know, self-care is a priority. And then I'm just doing some cheese toast basically because I tried doing a poached egg but it didn't work. And here you can see me brushing my hair as Nemo jumps onto the window, and then I start doing my makeup as well because I wanted to feel nice and refreshed, and makeup actually helps with that as well because it's nice. It's a nice motivator to start the day as well. So yeah, and basically today was a day where I had to spend on assignments and studying and stuff like that and reading on Gestalt. So I wanted to basically look pretty. It helped me basically achieve the goals of my day, and there I am just doing a very quick everyday makeup look. I don't know who else does their makeup, even though it's going to be just a study day. I don't know. It really relaxes me quite a lot, and I just love doing this. It's nice for like some self-care. It's so important to take time for yourselves and take care of your bodies. Listen to your bodies as well, because your body can tell you so much, and it's just so important to see what you need because your needs are a priority. You know, I mean, in life, like I go and see what other people need a lot, but I just have to remember that I also have needs and they need to be fulfilled. So here I am basically doing my assignments and working on my assignments. I just wish to say a good luck to everyone out there with their final examinations of the year. I wish you good luck, and I'm sure you'll do well. Work hard because work pays off. But yeah, that is this little tiny segment. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll just leave you enjoy my rest of the vlog. Hi everyone. It is currently, oh my god, nearly 6:45 in the evening. That is crazy. I started my day today at around, what time is it? 6:30, I would say, 6:30. I did everything that I wanted. The only thing that I didn't manage to do was I wanted to, number one, I wanted to do a breakfast that I had never done before of oats, but I will do that tomorrow because I don't have all the ingredients like that tomorrow. Fingers crossed. And then I tried to poach an egg in a different technique. Basically, you would actually break the egg before putting it in the water, and then you put it in a little bowl, and then you put it from the bowl to the heating boiling pan. But that didn't work, so I will never do that again. I will just crack the egg in the boiled water. Then I had like toasted butter and cheese, which was really sad, but that's fine. I started doing my assignment, and I've officially finished my assignments, and now I have to still do my presentation. So I have 3 presentations now to do, and I hope to obviously start that tomorrow. I'll probably work on one because I have my first one in less than 2 weeks, and then I would have one every single week. Anyway, I haven't talked to you guys since my brace tightening appointment. Basically, it went really well. I didn't hurt at all, as in like I hurt when he does it, and then they were a bit painful when you like bite for the first like day two as well, yesterday as well. But now I feel that they're back to normal, back to themselves, and yeah, they're all tightened. What I'm doing is basically a week in my life-ish. So I hope you enjoy this week's vlog. Maybe it will be a little bit longer. Today, what do I have left to do? Basically, I have to finish editing tomorrow's video because that hasn't been done. Maybe watch The Handmaid's Tale because I haven't watched the one of last week yet, and I wish to do so. Yeah, nothing else. The Chloe Ting workout, I only have 2 days left to complete the Summer Shred Challenge. I didn't finish it in 28 days. I did have like some break, but I'm hoping that after I do this one, I actually will take like a day break maybe. And I will start this one, the 2021 Flat Stomach Challenge. I said, why not obviously continue it, because in Kella, I would lose momentum and then I will stop. Also, Anastasia Beverly Hills are coming out with a new palette, the Norvina Volume 5. And I have number 1, number 3, and number 4, I think. I don't have number 2, the blue one. But I think I want it, the lilac one. I mean, I love anything like, but I don't know if I need it. I probably don't. I don't know if I should buy it, but like it's ABH, but it's so expensive, and now they come from America, so obviously I'll have to pay customs for it as well, actually, come to think about it, which is very annoying. My goodness, to come from America. I hope it doesn't break. Better not, freaking hell. Anyways, I'm talking to myself. That's basically it. I wish to just come and catch up with you guys, and hopefully tomorrow you will see me do my new oats recipe. It's an oats recipe. I know, I'm so excited. I hope I manage. I hope you're all taking care. And yeah, I'm gonna go now. Bye. Good morning. And today is Friday, and it's the 4th of June. And I'm just gonna start my day. I'm not gonna exercise today. I'm going to do something new with the oats. As you can see, I'm going to be trying chocolate oats with bananas, and I'm gonna put also some strawberries on the top. So let's just see how that's going to go. Never done it, so I could fail at this. I'm going to put everything in here. Because I didn't do rolled oats, it didn't come as it should have come, but let's see how it tastes. Not bad, no? I think. Let's see how it tastes now. Hope it's not too hot. So yeah, that is my breakfast. So you're going to actually see my honest reaction on this, guys. Next time I try with rolled oats.
just did my hair. Hi guys, good morning. So today is Sunday and it is the 6th of June, and I don't think I spoke to you yesterday simply because we had a very long day. Basically, I woke up in the morning and Aiden, he just bought a new bike and I went with him to ride his bike, and then we had some nice breakfast and it was really good from Greens. And then I actually had a workshop of Gestalt, and in fact today I have my last one of second year. In the evening I had a really bad headache. Luke came for me and we ordered McDonald's and we were watching a show called Summertime on Netflix. It's an Italian show and I really like it. Luke didn't like it, but I really liked it and I want to continue it and I want to finish it. I haven't even watched any of my shows this week, I've come to think of it. Just wanted to end the vlog here. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more, then press subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!